Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're not doing a theme park vlog. I'm actually here in my hometown in Pensacola with my dad.
Hey guys.
We're actually gonna get matching tattoos today. What are we getting?
Buzz Lightyear.
Yes.
Disney to infinity and beyond.
Yes, so super excited about that. But first, we're gonna go get lunch at my all-time favorite Mexican restaurant ever. It's called Rio Bravo. It's in like the parking lot area of Cordova Mall. I used to work there. The people that work there are amazing. I love them. Like I said, the best Mexican food. So definitely check them out if you're here visiting in town. We made it. We are here. Yay!
Hey, got a vlog? Hey.
This is Johnny, your customize your server. They're all amazing though. Look guys, the large queso. It is the best queso ever. But yeah, their prices are like pretty cheap here. I love it. They also have a ton of crazy cheap deals on margaritas. So this is Javier. He's awesome. He just opened a second restaurant area. Or I'm sorry, they opened a second restaurant area here in the back and seafood, right? Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This used to be like a crazy ugly storage area, but now it's like a second seafood restaurant. Oh cute. Ooh. I love this. So I got rice, cheese enchilada, and a veggie quesadilla, which the veggie quesadilla is just so amazing. And then my dad just got a taco, the American style, and some rice. I don't even have to try to tell you guys, this is just again the best Mexican food of all time. Very authentic Mexican food. It's just amazing. So we are here at Gulf Coast Tattoos, and look, Sweetie dog. They have one of my tattoos up on the wall.
Jeez, look at that. Looks like I wrote. Terrible handwriting.
Currently trying to pick out a font that we're gonna use. Dad's gonna pick it.
Yeah, this is too many to choose from.
Do you want me to pick?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to page 7 or something. You know they keep the good stuff at the end.
Do they?
You would think.
So I have zero clue where I'm gonna put this tattoo. I know it can't be on my arms because I'm working on both of my sleeves, so it has to be on my legs somewhere. But I just don't know where, because I want to get another portrait. And I have these two randomly here, and I have another one randomly on my lower leg. So I don't know. I feel like if I did it too close to this one, the green and the purple might look weird next to the teal. I don't know. Thinking about maybe doing it right here. My dad thinks I should do it on my lower ankles.
Lower ankles, for sure.
But he's getting it on your arm, right?
Yeah,
right.
I think right here. Or right here.
Yeah. Are you gonna do it facing this way, or
I think.
Which way are you thinking about doing it?
You have to start, well, if it's over here, it has to start here and go this way. So to hold it up. But if it's this way, it has to go the other way. Because you're looking at it this way. I'm gonna wait till he gets a little stencil built out and we'll see how it looks.
We're getting the stencil on. This was the final decision of placement.
I'm not going to get too far on your foot because that will suck.
There it is. It's so tiny.
So I'm going to save you starting you with a dot because dots are kind of touchy.
Are they?
Well, I mean to start you off. I don't want to be like, okay, here we go. So I'm going to just run a quick little line and then we'll get those dots out of the way.
Oh my god.
All right, here we go.
There it goes. Ah! Oh, that's not that bad. That's not that bad. Oh wait, that's bad.
Nothing to it, you got this.
Ah! Screaming under the mask. Ooh! This is a small tattoo, right?
Look at her like a pro.
I'm making faces under my mask. Yeah.
That's my favorite part about having to wear a mask.
Seeing everyone's facial expressions.
No, well, just getting to make weird faces and people can't really call you out.
Right?
Hi, Dad. This is fun. But you're gonna have a different artist tattoo you and do your stencil.
That is correct.
Hey, we're family though. Me and Chad, that's my cousin.
Oh, wait, what's your name? I don't think you told us.
They call me LJ.
Okay.
LJ. So check LJ out. Yeah. Woo. Bye. Do you want to take the camera with you?
Yeah.
Okay, see you soon.
You like it? Does it look even?
That's smart placement. Good
Yeah.
spot to show it out.
You know, it's hard to vlog while you're in pain.
Yeah. You're doing good.
But yeah.
Alright.
Good luck. Have fun.
I think I got one to try.
Okay.
Not enough to worry.
We got the outline done. Now we're about to do color next. All right, it is finished. Yay, it looks so good. How's yours coming along?
About done.
Ooh. Wow, look at yours. So cool.
Nice and clean.
This was not an extra charge, but they gave us Aftercare little packet. Oh, how cute. Literally what I already have. Also what I already have. That's so cute. Oh, is it like some stickers?
Cards.
Oh, business cards. Oh, cool. Instructions. But yeah, this was super fun. Are you happy with your tattoo? Under the wrap.
Yeah, it came out kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm happy with mine at least. So yeah, it was
Doesn't
cute.
look
It was
like
fun.
a butterfly, does it?
A butterfly.
Does it
It's
look
Buzz
like
Lightyear. Nah, it's the Buzz
Nice.
Lightyear logo.
Very good. Good idea.
Yay! And finished photo is now.
To infinity and beyond.
So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. I do mainly Disney and Universal videos, so if any of that's your thing, make sure to hit that subscribe button.